What's going on, everybody? Welcome to our channel, MF Cooking. Today we're making Domino's stuffed cheesy bread. Enjoy the video. Remember to like, share, and subscribe, and hit that notification bell to be notified when we post a new video. Let's get cooking. For this recipe, you will need pizza crust, cheddar cheese, mozzarella cheese, butter, bacon, diced jalapeños, olive oil, garlic paste, garlic powder, salt, and parsley flakes. Begin by grating the cheddar and mozzarella cheese. On a baking sheet lined with parchment paper, unroll your pizza crust. Add a generous amount of cheddar cheese to 1/2 of the crust. Add a generous amount of mozzarella cheese. Fold over the crust. Cut the crust down the middle. Cut 8 slices. Cover the top with a generous amount of cheddar and mozzarella cheese. Bake at 400 degrees for 15 to 20 minutes. Next, we're gonna make a bacon and jalapeno stuffed cheesy bread. Give your bacon a rough chop. Unroll the pizza crust. Add a generous amount of cheddar cheese to one side of the crust. Add a generous amount of mozzarella cheese. Add 3 to 4 tablespoons of diced jalapeños. Add bacon bits. Add a bit more cheese. Fold over the crust. Cut the crust down the middle, then cut 8 slices. Top with cheddar and mozzarella cheese. Bake at 400 degrees for 15 to 20 minutes. Next, we're gonna make the garlic butter. Melt a half stick of butter. Add 1 tablespoon of olive oil. Add a tablespoon of garlic paste. Season to taste with salt and garlic powder. Add parsley and whisk. Once the cheesy bread is done, spread garlic butter on top. And there you have it, Domino's stuffed cheesy bread, made 2 ways. We hope y'all enjoyed the video. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, and hit that notification bell. And remember to tell everybody you know,
them MFers be cooking.